To create a number counter in After Effects, all you need to do is get yourself the text tool. We're going to enable the action grid, and you just want to get yourself a text box that is center aligned. If you type in 0, you can now center align this text box, and no matter what number is in here, it will automatically align it. From here, you want to go to the selection tool, press Ctrl Alt and Home, and then center align the text box. And now, in order to create the number counter and to make it work, you want to get yourself a slider control, apply it onto your text, open up the text, and then by holding Alt, you can get yourself an expression, and then just paste in this expression right here. There'll be a link down below in the video. You just want to paste it in here, and all you need to do now is move the slider, and this will automatically add in the numbers. So if you wanted this to count up, you would set the first one to 0, you would go further out, and then set this to 1,000 or whatever number that you want. And the great thing about this is that it will automatically apply commas. So once you hit the thousands, it will start to apply commas. If we have a look at this now, you can see we have a number counter. As a bonus tip, and to make this look even better, you can enable the motion blur. And this gives it this nice smooth motion between each number. If you want to, you can even ease the animation as well by pressing U and then selecting these and pressing F9. And this will smoothen out the animation. And depending on how quick or how slow you want it to be, you would either move it closer together to speed it up, or you would move it further away and this will slow it down.